I love banana peppers. Oh. So, one of my friends on Facebook actually made this recipe and I thought it looks really good because this is similar to that pepperoncini pork roast that I did. This is Mississippi pot roast. As you can see, there are only 5 items needed for this, and the only seasonings we have to get are these 2 ready to go 1 ounce packets. So that makes it really easy to mix this together. Other than that, they usually do whole pepper, whatever, banana peppers. But I did these sliced ones because of course the sliced ones have most of the seeds removed and they're easier to eat and there's no stems. These are also hot. So extra spice just for me. I'm also going with my friend's suggestion on Facebook and adding in some of the pepperoncini sauce. Why do I keep saying pepperoncini? Some of the banana pepper sauce to give it a little more tanginess. This recipe actually does include adding the pickling water, so that makes it easier. The only thing it doesn't include is braising the chuck roast beforehand, which some of the other recipes have you do that. Most of the time I'm lazy and I don't feel like doing that, but this time I'll try it just to see what that extra, whatever it's called, will do. So yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and get started on that. Good night. Oh, I forgot to say before, but our total cost for these 5 items was $18.69, so not even that bad for a good sized thing. This chuck roast is about 2.5 pounds because it's kind of hard finding larger ones, but whatever. It's good enough. That means I'll get more like sauce to go with it. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. At this point, we just throw everything together, so let's go ahead and get that done. That's it for this one. We will now cook it on low for, let's see, about 8 hours, and then we're pretty much done. So yeah, easy setup. You can also cook it for longer. It makes it a little bit softer and easier to peel apart, so that's up to you, but I'll try it for 8 hours to start, and then we'll see. Yep, see ya. And we're done. Let's see how we did. Whoa. Spicy. Smells pretty great. The only thing left is to shred it up and then serve it. And then we've got our potatoes on the side. I don't need to show you how to shred it because like I've already done it enough times and I'm lazy, so. And here we are. There is our fancy Mississippi pot roast with our side of mashed potatoes. So it'll be pretty good. I don't know what toppings go good with this one. They said like provolone cheese, but I don't really like provolone cheese, so I didn't get any. But I'm not sure what else would go with it, but I guess you can do whatever you want. So yeah, well, thanks for watching, and I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh.